Class 10, Chapter 3, History, Rise of Nationalism in India, Part 5. In the previous video, we have learned about the non-cooperation movement in towns and countryside. Today, we are going to learn about the idea of Swaraj by tribal peasants. Tribal peasants interpreted the message of Mahatma Gandhi and idea of Swaraj in another way. In the Gudem Hills of Andhra Pradesh, a militant guerrilla movement spread in the early 1920s because they were prevented from entering the forest to graze cattle, collect fruits and firewoods. The forest laws were a threat to livelihood for tribal peasants. When the government forced them to beggar on road construction, they revolted under the leadership of Alluri Sitaram Raju. The Gudem rebels attacked police stations, attempted to kill British officials, and carried on guerrilla warfare for achieving Swaraj. In Assam, plantation workers had their own understanding of Mahatma Gandhi and the notion of Swaraj. Freedom to them means right to move freely in and out of the confined space in which they were enclosed. Plantation workers revolted against the Inland Immigration Act of 1859, which they did not permit the workers to leave the tea gardens without permission, and they were rarely given such permissions. When they heard the non-cooperation movement, they defied the authorities, left their plantation, and headed home. They believed that Gandhi Raj was coming. Everyone would be given land in their own village. They never reached the destination due to the railway and a steamer strike when they leave the garden. They were caught by police and brutally beaten up. The vision of these movements were not defined by Congress program. They interpreted the term Swaraj in their own ways. The tribal chanted Gandhi's name and raised slogan demanding Swatantra Bharat. In 1922, in Uttar Pradesh, at Chauri Chaura in Gorakhpur, a peaceful demonstration in a bazaar turned into a violent clash with the police, in which 22 policemen were burnt alive. Seeing this violence, Mahatma Gandhi called off the non-cooperation movement. In the next video, we will learn about civil disobedience movement. Thanks.